Hi guys, good morning. Good morning. Oh, it's not morning, no. It's afternoon, but it's so cold that you would think it's morning, but it's actually not morning. It's still afternoon. No, not still afternoon. It's after. It's actually like 1 p.m. right now, and what is before me is a lot of work. I have a lot of things to do today. I want to make egusi soup, and I also want to make stew. So, you guys, cook with me. I don't know how much I can show you, but let me try.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to.
I'm using a different bread today. To cook this food, I need to eat. I need all my energy. So, I'm refueling.
You go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you, I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds.
One, two, three. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
Walking to the market, strolling hand in hand, exchanging letters when you're away. Don't need any effort when we are together. We always have fun throughout the day. I'll do anything to get your attention. When you say you love me, I seem to ascend to the heavens above, where we fall in love.
While the chicken is boiling and the fish is grilling, I'm busy blending tomato.
I don't know what I would do without you, because all I need is you. Make me fly to the clouds. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days.
You guys, this is the first time I'm trying this clove in my meat, and it smells so good, so good. I didn't believe it. I didn't expect it. That's why I didn't put so much, but it smells really nice.
Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
Because I was trying to show you guys how I'm turning it, the whole thing got messed up and everything, so I had to cut the video and do it again and do it by myself. So I just turned it, turned the but my oven is not electric, so I have to turn it so that the other side can equally, grill properly.
The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. Can't imagine living life alone.
If we were to go our separate ways,
'Cause with you I feel like
who knows how far.
So guys, I wanted to show you guys what I usually do to tomato if I don't want to boil it. So that is going to help you in case you want to save up on gas, So this is my tomato. My tomato is going to go straight into this colander. So if you are managing gas, you don't want a burn tomato plenty, they wait make water finish, you can do this.
We go,
Don't you know that all that I need is your body next to me on rainy days? Just need your company, don't need too much, just your simple love and it's everything.
Chicken is ready.
Lazy Sunday mornings hiding under.
Can you see what the tomato is looking like? Like this thing was full to this brim, right? See what it's looking like. Let me show you guys the amount of water under it. Can you see? And it's just water coming out. See the way it's dripping. So this one I did it some days ago, froze it, and then I want to use it today. I still have some more here. See.
Covers, I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
these little songs make me glad to call you mine, and you have got my head.
This is dry ugu and uziza. I actually dry it up whenever I go to my, I buy a lot and dry them up so that whenever I need to use it, you know, I just soak it, rinse it a little, and add it to my food.
In the clouds, on the 1, 2, 3.
All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much, just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much, just your simple love and it's everything.
Walking to the market, strolling hand.
The water is so much now that it is beginning to touch the colander. Can you see how much water has gone out? Let me show you guys. Can you see? The water is beginning to touch the colander, so I'm going to just empty it out. Can you see? All this water is what your gas would have been boiling. So save up on gas this year. I empty the water and I'm going to put it back. Now this time around, I'm going to turn it just to get it to remove more water, because of course
In hand, exchanging letters when you're away. Don't need any effort when we are together. We always have fun throughout the day. I'll do anything to get your attention. When you say you love me, I seem to ascend to the heavens above, where we fall in love. I don't know what I would do without you, because all I need is you. Make me fly to the clouds. 1, 2, 3.
All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much, just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of of hearing your voice. Every morning I wake to a kiss on my face. So I don't need too much, just your simple love, and it's everything. Can't imagine living life alone
if we were to go our separate ways.
'Cause with you I feel like
Who knows how far we go?
Don't you know that all that I need is your body next to me on rainy days? Just need your company, don't need too much, just your simple love, and it's there. Don't you know that all that I need is your body next to me on rainy days? Just need your company, don't need too much, just your simple love.